Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Captured Pixels. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for the love that you showed to my first video और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि ये दूसरा वीडियो भी आपको पसंद आएगा इस सीरीज़ में. So without further ado, let's start. So the place that you see on your screen right now is the City Palace Jaipur. The City Palace was established at the same time as the city of Jaipur by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II और उन्होंने अपना कोर्ट मूव किया था अंबर से जयपुर. That happened due to the issue of water shortage and increase in population in the state. Construction of the City Palace Jaipur was assigned to the chief architect Vidyadhar Bhattacharya and उन्होंने वास्तुशास्त्र के अकॉर्डिंग ये सिटी पैलेस का कंस्ट्रक्शन करवाया and he designed this place. There is one garden named as Vidyadhar Garden in Jaipur city which is also a tourist attraction place. So you guys can think to check it out. The City Palace has a multiple number of gates. Some of the famous gates are Udaipur, Jaleb Chowk, Tripolia Gate and Virendrapur. The place that you see on your left is a courtyard named Diwane Khas. The City Palace has another courtyard named as Diwane Aam. As the name suggests, Diwane Khas was meant to be for the king and his special court members and was limited to private audience, whereas Diwane Aam was meant for the regular public and used to host a larger number of audience. Apart from this complex, you can get a view of places like Chandra Mahal, Mubarak Mahal, the Armor Gallery, the Photo Gallery and the Clock Tower in City Palace, Jaipur. The ticket prices are 200 rupees for Indians and 700 rupees for foreign tourists. It is to the credit of Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II that the Jaipur city is called Pink City. He made sure that each one of his forts and palaces are constructed with red and pink marble stone and sandstone. That's why these palaces and forts have such great ambiances and they give a very mesmerizing and royal look. वेलकम बैक गाइज. हम लोग आ गए हैं सिटी पैलेस जयपुर. यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर हिस्टोरिकल चीज़ें, रॉयल फैमिली की ड्रेसेस, उनके कोर्टयार्ड्स, उनके वेपन्स, ये सारे शोकेस हैं. और सिटी पैलेस बनाया गया था 1727 to 32 के पीरियड के बीच में. एंड दिक्कत क्या थी कि इशू हुआ था वाटर शॉर्टेज का, जो कि काफ़ी बड़ा इशू था राजस्थान में उस टाइम. तो यहाँ के प्रिंस को मूव करना पड़ा था अंबर से जयपुर, अपना कैपिटल. सो उन्होंने यहाँ पे फिर सिटी पैलेस का कंस्ट्रक्शन करवाया. एंड सिटी पैलेस इज़ ऑल्सो प्रिटी गुड रिगार्डिंग द आइटम्स kept over here. They are vintage items, they are antiques. And you can come over and you can explore this place, especially the people who love artifacts, arts and social science students. They will find a lot of interesting things over here. And yes, that's pretty much it. And now we are heading over to Albert Hall Museum and I'll keep you posted. My next destination was Albert Hall Museum. Guys, if you like the video and if you are loving the view, then you can always drop a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's move towards our next destination. The place that you see on your screens right now is Albert Hall Museum. Albert Hall Museum is the oldest museum of the state and functions as State Museum of Rajasthan, India. इसको गवर्नमेंट सेंट्रल म्यूजियम के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. The museum complex is a proud example of Indo-Saracenic architecture which features beautiful pillars, arches and vast courtyards. This building was designed by Sir Samuel Swinton Jacob, assisted by Mir Tujamul Hussain, and this was opened as a public museum in 1887. Maharaja Ram Singh initially wanted this building to be a town hall, but his successor Madho Singh II decided that it should be a museum for the art of Jaipur and included it as a part of the new Ram Niwas garden. The surroundings are very beautiful and are full of lush green parks. Albert Hall Museum is named after King Edward VII, whose real name was Albert Edward, during whose visit to the city as the Prince of Wales, its foundation stone was laid in 1876. This museum has 16 galleries, and some particular examples are metal art, arms and armor, pottery, sculptures, jewelry, musical instruments, and carpets. The ticket prices for Albert Hall Museum are 40 rupees for Indians, 20 rupees for Indian students, and 300 rupees for foreign tourists, respectively. Guys, please make sure that if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I post new videos. Unlike the City Palace Museum, photography and videography is allowed in the Albert Hall Museum. Hence, I was able to shoot some clips that you can see on your screen right now. City Palace also had beautiful museums, but I was not able to shoot them since photography and videography was not allowed inside the museum. Hey guys, so we are here at Albert Hall Museum. Artifacts, weapons और royal time के clothings, their lifestyle and all those items are being showcased, and general museums जो होते हैं almost similar to them. Let me show you view of this hall. Okay, so this is the gallery, and राइट नाउ इट इज़ आफ्टरनून, सो धूप बहुत ज़्यादा है एंड मैं सजेस्ट करूँगा कि जब भी आप इधर घूमने आओ तो आप इवनिंग में आओ। इवनिंग टाइम में इट विल बी अ बिट प्लेजेंट एंड टेम्परेचर्स भी थोड़े कम होंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। लाइक वी वेंट टू 2 or 3 places right in the afternoon, that's why we got this scorching heat, but also 5 to 5:30 PM तक सारे प्लेसेस बंद हो जाते हैं। बेसिकली टिकट्स सेल करना बंद कर देते हैं वो लोग। 3 to 4 PM will be the perfect timing to visit these places, and there is a bit of greenery here and अच्छा है। Here you can get the view of Jaipur city. In the next part of the video, I'll be sharing some useful piece of information, so please watch the video till the end. Okay, so we are back from our outing और अभी मैं बैठा हूँ अपने होटल रूम में। दिस इज़ जयपुर होटल न्यू। नाम थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड है बट यस दिस इज़ द नेम। मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसका लिंक डाल दूँगा। दिस इज़ अ प्रेटी गुड होटल इफ़ यू आस्क मी। रूम सर्विस वगैरह और एमिनिटीज़ सब कुछ अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे, जो कि बेसिक एमिनिटीज़ एक होटल में होनी चाहिए। एंड वार्डरोब्स हैं एंड लिनन्स एंड बेड शीट्स आर चेंज रेगुलरली एंड यू हैव टू लीव द की एट द रिसेप्शन। एंड द वॉशरूम इज़ quite neat and clean. The room is quite spacious and just spare me for the background because it's a bit clumsy right now. एक दिन पहले मैं अजमेर और पुष्कर भी गया था बट आई डिड नॉट शूट एनी व्लॉग्स देयर बिकॉज ऑफ द क्राउड। द प्लेसेस आर वेरी क्राउडेड। I'll go to Amer Fort, Nahargarh Fort and Jaipur Fort. Let's hope that we get some nice footages and videos so that आप घर बैठे enjoy कर सकें। And I wish that after watching my videos and my vlogs, you try to plan a trip to Jaipur and come to this beautiful city because it is worth spending a few days here. The city is quite nice and I leave day after tomorrow for Hyderabad where I am working currently. मैं यहाँ पे मार्च के फर्स्ट वीक में आया हूँ and the temperatures are like 33 to 34 degrees Celsius during the day time and रात में काफ़ी pleasant हो जाता है weather. I must say it is a bit chilly, so 15 to 16 degrees Celsius तक drop हो रहे हैं temperatures. So especially during the evening, during sunsets and all, you can visit those places and light shows or lightings भी होती है. So yes, you'll enjoy and you'll definitely have a good time here. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.